stand like where Lena is?
So it's...
No, you're
Okay.
good.
Nope. So, and then this is...
That's
one.
just the motion. Two.
Oh, that's even harder. Okay, go ahead. Start it, Matt.
Ready?
Go, Matt. Yeah.
No, dude, take your time. You don't have to go fast.
Oh my gosh.
He's doing
He's so good at this.
Oh my god, how do you do that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. He's gonna
George, are you sure you're not helping him? Oh my gosh.
so good at this. No one else can do it.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, what's the count? What's the count?
I don't know, we can just go back in the video.
Okay.
How is this still happening? Faster now.
Wait, what's the count?
Go
Yeah, go faster.
Go
You
faster.
stop.
I stopped.
This takes a lot of energy.
There's a lot of conversation. No, concentration.
Concentrate.
Wait, you almost hit his hand. You were like so close. That one was a
You're
close
about to
one.
break the world record.
Shut up, please. This hurts my arms like...
Stop, he can't concentrate.
God, this hurts your arms like you wouldn't believe. How close am I getting to George's hands?
You're like, you were close one time, but that was it.
You're getting a little closer.
Please stop. Should I?
Oh, that one was close.
20 more.
Wait, Matt, you were so close that first time.
Can I go?
No, keep going. Okay, you can stop.
Yeah, you can stop.
You can stop now.
Matt.
What was your record, man?
I went like this, and I walked away, and it just kept going. God. Okay. No, the person on the video figured it out after like 17.